Iginit naman ni Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte ang maayos na pagdaraos ng APEC Leaders Summit sa Beijing, China. Sinabi ito ni Valte sa harap ng naunang tensyon ng Pilipinas sa China dahil sa usapin ng West Philippine Sea. Paliwanag nito, walang iringan sa pagitan ni Pangulong Ninoy Aquino at mga lider ng China kaugnay ng pagdalo sa naturang summit na pinamumunuan ng naturang bansa. Inilarawan pa nito ang pagiging gracious host ng China sa summit. Samantala, ipinahayag ni Valte na hindi talaga mapag-uusapan ang usapin ng West Philippine Sea dahil ang summit ay nakatuon sa economic cooperation doon.
For the president, everything that has been said and done about China in this book, di ba awkward yung situation niya, host country?
I did not sense any awkwardness when the president attended the CEO summit yesterday. None. He also did not mention anything. And the truth of the matter is China has been a gracious host to all the member economies that have come to attend the APEC summit.
So has China been helpful to the Philippines dun sa pag-host natin next year?
We have been engaging, as you know, we have been sending observer teams, not just to the Leader Summit this week in Beijing, but also to the other events that, all the other APEC-related events that we have been going to, and we have not run into any problems with the current